In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Windows 11 screen blinking problem on your PC or laptop, step by step. Screen flickering or blinking can be really distracting, and in some cases, it can even make your computer feel unusable. The good news is that in most cases, this issue is caused by software, not by a damaged screen, so we can usually fix it with a few changes in Windows. First, let's make sure we're actually dealing with a software problem. If your screen only flickers when Windows is running, but it looks normal when you're in the BIOS or while the manufacturer's logo is on the screen during startup, that usually means Windows or a driver is the issue. If it flickers even before Windows loads, that could be a hardware problem, and you may want to have the device checked by a technician. For this guide, we'll focus on software fixes inside Windows 11. A common cause of screen blinking is display drivers or incompatible apps. Before we change anything big, try closing all open apps and see if the flickering reduces. If you recently installed a new program right before the problem started, keep that in mind. We'll come back to it later. Now, let's adjust one of the most effective settings, the refresh rate. On your desktop, right-click an empty area and choose Display Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Display. Here, look for the option called Choose a Refresh Rate. If it's set to a very high value, try switching it to a slightly lower one that still matches what your monitor supports. After you change it, wait a few seconds and see if the flickering improves. Sometimes, simply matching the correct refresh rate to your monitor solves the issue. Next, we'll check for display driver problems. In the Start menu, search for Device Manager and open it. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click your graphics device and choose Update Driver. Then search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds an update, let it install and then restart your PC. If the blinking started right after a driver update, you can return to Device Manager. Right-click the same adapter, go to Properties, then the Driver tab, and choose Rollback Driver if that option is available. Finally, think about any third-party apps that might control visuals, such as screen recording tools, custom themes, or vendor display utilities. Try uninstalling any app that was added around the time the blinking began. Then restart your computer and test again. Work through these steps patiently, testing after each change, and in most cases, your Windows 11 screen blinking problem should be fixed.